Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Amazon Prime credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get back to the video. To log into your Amazon Prime credit cards account, firstly, open your Google search, type in Amazon Prime credit card login and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the first link shown on the page. Tap on Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the login page of Amazon Prime credit card account. You need to sign in to view your account's activity. So, to log into your account, enter your username and password associated with your account. If you want to stay logged into your account, tap on Remember Me. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password. To create a new Amazon Prime credit cards account, click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now. Now, after filling your username and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can sign into your Amazon Prime credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.